Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Before I begin my speech, may Allah's peace, mercy and blessing be upon the people of Pakistan during these difficult days. As we all know, human history is a kind of history of natural disasters. Floods, earthquakes and plague epidemics have seriously affected the lives of humans, which have destroyed cities and destroyed crops many times. Today, what we witness is obviously something else. More than thousands of lives have been lost, tens of thousands of animals are lost, and millions of people have been affected by the flood, which caused great physical and moral damage. We must bind up the wounds as soon as possible. We would like to point out that the figures expressed in thousands are not statistics only. Every soul is precious. Every soul lost is the common pain of humanity for us. We feel the pain experienced in this historical disaster in Pakistan, just as other organs feels this pain when one of the organs of the body suffers. We invite the international community to solidarity. The gravity of the situation is obvious. The trouble that Pakistan is facing today is not only the problem of people of the same race, speaking the same language and sharing the same culture, but also the common pain of all humanity. For this reason, we invite every single organization across the globe for helping Pakistani people. We have already started aid campaign with other organizations in Europe, but unfortunately, it is not enough for a natural disaster of this magnitude that affects 500 million people. We invite all people and organizations around the world to aid campaign for Pakistan, regardless of religion, language, or race, in order to heal the wounds. May Allah grant Jannatul Firdaus those who lost their lives and heal the wounds of injured and give sabr to families. Pakistan's pain is our pain.